Good day and welcome. This is Mr. Simons. Now here, third way, you can test theorem 1. What theorem of Pythagoras is bringing in your grade 10 midpoint theorem. So I hope you still remember your midpoint theorem. So O is the center of the circle, AB equal BC, and they say MC is the diameter of the circle. So that is what's given to us. Now, question 1, can you prove that this angle A equal 90 degrees? Now, we need to understand that MO equal OC because they both radii, they both start from center to circumference, you see there? Right, and at the same time AB equal BC given. So those two sides equal and these two sides equal. So if that's the case, then I can conclude that MA here must be parallel to OB, and my reason would be midpoint theorem. Right? Don't confuse it for midpoint chord. So midpoint theorem. So if that two are parallel, we should know line from center cuts the chord AC in two equal halves. Therefore, there must be a 90-degree angle. So OBC equal 90, my reason midpoint chord. So if that's 90 and these two lines are parallel, then angle A also 90. They are called corresponding angles because MA is parallel to OB. I hope you follow, hope you understand. Please remember to subscribe. Right, now in problem 2, they want us to prove that MA equal 2 times the length of OB. So again, according to midpoint theorem, I can state MO equal OC, BC equal AB. Therefore, MA is parallel to OB. At the same time, now that means that MA would be twice the size of OB, midpoint theorem. Right? So midpoint theorem not only states that those two are parallel if they are equal to each other, but at the same time that they are, this line must be twice the length of the shorter line. Let's look at problem 3. So here they want me to prove that AMO equal POC. So in short, if OB is parallel to MA, this angle here corresponds with that angle there, right? So you still remember the letter F, ne? So you see there I can form a F. That angle corresponds with that. So corresponding angles, MA parallel to OB. Let's look at problem number 4. Right, now they want me to prove that AOC equal 2 times CMA. So CMA. So first I started off by drawing the line AO. You see there? Right? So now I say in triangle AOB and triangle POC, this triangle and that one. Let's see if I can prove them congruent. So first AB equal BC, that's given in the drawing. ABO equal CBO, they both 90. Right, that was proven problem number 1, or we can say line from center, midpoint chord forms a 90-degree angle. Same time PO belongs to both triangles, so PO equal PO common side. Therefore triangle AOB is congruent to triangle POC, side angle side. So there I can now state that AOB, this angle here, must equal POC, the angle on the other side. My reason, congruent triangles. But we should remember CMA equal POC, corresponding angles, right? And that then automatically means now it equals the AOC. Alright, and that was proven in 3. But AOC equal AOB plus POC, so it's 2 times the same angle. And therefore we can, if this angle equals CMA, I can conclude that AOC then equal to CMA. So hope you follow, understand. If you want me to redo or feel I must make anything clearer, please state and I will show it to you. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.